Are you a budding entrepreneur? Are you someone who wants to quit your 9 to 5 job to join the entrepreneurship bandwagon because you don't want to be answerable to anybody? You want to be your own boss? Are you looking at living a life of freedom? Are you someone with a business idea but no clarity on the roadmap? You have an idea but you don't know how to proceed. Are you unsure? Are you confused? Do you often wonder whether doing a business is meant for you in the first place at all? Well, the fact is, you don't need to be a genius to start a business, and even the most successful business person was in the same position as you today. Hi, my name is Ratika Seth and I'm a life enhancement coach. I'm the founder of the Gratitude Concepts Tribe and the Flight to Fulfillment podcast, and today I'm excited to share 10 steps that will help you start your entrepreneurial journey. So, here we go. Step number 1, identify your niche. Remember, this is the most important step, and without this, the rest of the steps are quite useless. Identify your niche, know exactly what you want to do. Choose your niche very carefully. The biggest mistake which people make while choosing their niches, they do not choose what they are truly passionate about. People end up choosing something, which is the craze of the day or the fad. They don't choose something which they can do 365 days a year, 24/7, and then halfway through they get burnt out. So identify your niche very carefully. Choose something that you're truly passionate about. Number 2, pinpoint your purpose, your goal. What is your vision? What is your mission? Where is it that you want to see yourself? Write everything down with clarity. Number 3, identify your USP, your unique selling point. What is it that will give you an edge over your competition? What is it that will set you apart? Number 4, research your competition. Do a thorough research on your competitors. What is it that they've done? What has their journey been like? Study their journey, study their achievements and their successes, but more importantly, study their failures. See where they went wrong. The minute you study their failures, you will not make the same mistake, and your journey, which you are starting off right now, will be much smoother. Number 5, create a business plan. Write everything down. Create a business plan of where you want to be a month from now, 3 months from now, 6 months from now, 1 year from now, and how you want to reach there. Create a flow chart. Create a proper plan. Number 6, network. This is a day and age of networking, and there are so many opportunities we have today to network. We can join communities, we can start our own community, we can build a tribe, we can be a part of a tribe. Network, spread your wings. Number 7, embrace risk. Remember, the road between where you are right now and where you want to be is called risk. A true business person has the risk-taking mindset. So learn to embrace risks, because it is only once you learn to take risks will you take that leap of faith. Number 8, make changes if the market is changing. Study the market consistently. Don't be rigid, be flexible. Any changes you need to make them. Number 9, stay focused. No matter how many doubts, how many fear factors come in your way, stay focused. Go back to point number 5 where I said create a thorough business plan. Read this plan every day. Go through this plan every day. It will help you in staying focused. Have a single pointed vision to where you want to reach. And last but not the least, don't be afraid to fail. Remember, failure is a stepping stone towards success. So fail again, fail till you succeed. but don't be afraid of failing. As long as you fall down and stand up again, as long as you take that fall and learn to stand up again, this journey is going to be worth it. Starting a business is hard, but it is so worth it when you know it will give you the life of freedom you want. Your journey is unique. These are the steps which will help you lay a strong foundation. So, there they are, the 10 steps. If you enjoyed this episode, like, comment, share. Do let me know if there's any particular topic you would like me to speak on. Write in the comment box. Follow my Instagram @Gratitude Concepts by Ratika Seth for your daily dose of inspiration, and be a part of my community. Thank you, much gratitude, more power to all of you. This is Ratika Seth, your life enhancement coach, signing off till my next episode. Bye bye.